Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. The Royal Enfield Bullet is one of those rare breeds. A name that echoes through generations, a silhouette etched in nostalgia, and a thump that resonates in the soul of riders. And now, in 2025, Royal Enfield breathes new life into this iconic lineage with the all-new Bullet 250, a motorcycle that pays homage to its legacy while stepping confidently into the modern era. At first glance, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 250 seems like a trip back in time. The classic teardrop fuel tank, the iconic pinstriping done by hand, the retro-styled halogen headlamp with chrome casing, and that unmistakable stance, it's all there. But look closer, and you begin to see the subtle touches that bring it up to date. From the cleaner engine casings to the upgraded fit and finish, this is not just a throwback. It's a modern motorcycle disguised in timeless clothing. The overall build quality has taken a significant leap forward, offering a refinement that wasn't always associated with older models. Crucially, at its heart beats a new 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air and oil-cooled engine. It's part of Royal Enfield's new J-platform family, the same architecture that underpins the new Classic 350 and Meteor 350, but specifically tuned here for the Bullet 250 to deliver a balanced mix of vintage charm and everyday usability. It produces around 20 horsepower and 20 Nm of torque, numbers that might seem modest on paper, but out on the road, the experience is anything but. There's something deeply satisfying about riding the Bullet 250. The throttle response is linear, the power delivery is smooth, and while it doesn't push you back with brute force, it carries you forward with a calm, composed authority. The engine note has been carefully tuned to retain the traditional Royal Enfield thump. But it's cleaner, tighter, and more refined, with just enough growl to remind you it's still a Bullet. It's not the fastest bike on the street, nor does it try to be. What it offers instead is grace, character, and a connection to the road that few modern motorcycles can replicate. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 Bullet 250 is how effortlessly it handles. At about 180 kilograms, it's not the lightest 250 cubic centimeters motorcycle, but its weight is distributed low and evenly. The bike feels planted, especially at lower speeds and through tight urban corners. The 19-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel, both wrapped in period-correct tires, provide a confident footprint, while the telescopic front forks and twin gas-charged rear shocks soak up the bumps with a grace that makes city commuting and countryside cruising equally enjoyable. The seating position is classic Royal Enfield, upright, relaxed, and commanding. The wide handlebars, mid-set foot pegs, and generously padded seat make for a posture that allows hours in the saddle without fatigue. Whether you're navigating the morning traffic or heading out on a weekend ride through winding backroads, the Bullet 250 keeps your body comfortable and your spirit lifted. When it comes to technology, Royal Enfield has struck a clever balance between tradition and practicality. You won't find a TFT screen or a full suite of riding modes here, and that's by design. What you get instead is a simple analog speedometer paired with a small digital inset that displays essentials like fuel level, trip meter, and gear position. It's minimalist, elegant, and perfectly in tune with the Bullet's retro philosophy. There's also a USB charging port discreetly integrated, allowing you to top up your device without disrupting the aesthetic. Braking duties are handled by a 300mm front disc and a 270mm rear disc, assisted by dual-channel ABS for added safety. The bite from the brakes is progressive rather than aggressive, again reflecting the Bullet's calm demeanor. It's the kind of braking setup that encourages smooth, measured riding, ideal for both new riders and veterans seeking an unhurried experience. The exhaust system, a critical component of any Royal Enfield, has been redesigned for the new engine. It retains the classic pea-shooter look, but inside is a tune chamber that enhances the bassy, rhythmic exhaust note. You don't just hear this bike, you feel it. It's one of the few modern motorcycles where the sound is not a byproduct, but a core part of the riding experience. Design-wise, Royal Enfield has nailed the aesthetics. The Bullet 250 comes in a range of color options including jet black, regal red, and forest green, each complemented by gold or silver pinstripes in chrome accents. The paint quality is superb, with a deep gloss finish that feels premium to the touch. The tank badges are now metal, not stickers, adding to the authenticity and long-term durability. Even the switchgear has received an update, still retro-inspired but now more tactile, with a solid, mechanical feel that inspires confidence. One subtle but delightful touch is the Kickstarter, which still exists alongside the electric start. It's a nod to the past, and while most riders will likely use the electric button, the kick lever remains a cool feature that keeps the vintage spirit alive. The Bullet 250 isn't trying to compete with sport bikes or futuristic commuters. Instead, it carves its own path, one of heritage, craftsmanship, and soulful riding. It's a motorcycle that doesn't shout, it speaks in gentle, deliberate tones. And in a world increasingly dominated by screens, algorithms, and overcomplicated machines, the simplicity of the Bullet is refreshingly honest. What really stands out, though, is how Royal Enfield has managed to make the Bullet 250 feel special without pricing it out of reach. In India, the bike is priced at around 1.75 Indian rupees to 1.85 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, making it one of the most accessible heritage motorcycles in the market. It offers tremendous value, not just in terms of hardware, but in the sheer emotional experience it delivers. For international markets, the price hovers around $3,000 to $3,200, depending on local taxes and duties, again, remarkable for a bike that delivers such a rich sense of identity. And that's the secret of the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 250. It's not about chasing performance numbers or technological gimmicks. It's about connection between rider and road, between past and present. It's about starting your day not with a blast of speed, but with a beat. That distinctive Royal Enfield rhythm that has echoed across continents and decades, now reborn in a smaller, more accessible, yet equally proud form. This bike will speak to many kinds of riders. To the beginner who wants a classic look with modern reliability. To the older enthusiast who once rode a Bullet and now wants to relive that chapter. To the commuter who values charm over raw power. And to the collector who understands that some things, like a good melody or a timeless silhouette, never go out of style. If you're after a motorcycle that turns heads without shouting, that embraces modernity without losing its soul, and that delivers every ride with a sense of calm assurance, then the Bullet 250 may just be your next companion. This bike will speak to many kinds of riders. To the beginner who wants a classic look with modern reliability. To the older enthusiast who once rode a Bullet and now wants to relive that chapter. To the commuter who values charm over raw power. And to the collector who understands that some things, like a good melody or a timeless silhouette, never go out of style. In a sea of loud, angular, hyper-connected machines, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 250 rolls through the streets like a poet, composed, soulful, and timeless. And that's a wrap on this ride into history. If you felt the thump in your heart just like we did while covering this beauty, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Bike Culture Hub, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride through two-wheeled culture. Got thoughts or memories of the old Bullet? Drop them in the comments, we love hearing your stories. Until next time, ride safe, ride proud, and let the roads keep calling.